Okay, we have this panel, and thank you for using Delta. We have this message, guys. As you can see, Delta Executor is successfully aided. What's up, fellas, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search Delta Executor and you'll find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So open your profile feature on your profile and just copy your link. Okay, let's get back to our tool. Then you have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. Press continue, guys, and let's see the next step. Okay, user found. So the next step is to select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites. For now, this AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys. And now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app. Or download it, complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and TikTok, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed these tasks and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute, and if you have this message, just wait for this redirecting. Okay, and let's see the next step. Guys, verification successful, that's it. Thank you for passing double check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. Okay, so let me open my Roblox and let's test this. Does it actually work? So let me play this Escape Tsunami. Okay, and let's see. Okay, guys, I'm now in the game and let's wait a little bit. Let's see. Okay, we have this panel, and thank you for using Delta. We have this message, guys. As you can see, Delta Executor is successfully aided. So let me click here. As you can see, all features have been aided successfully. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.